My name is Fredrik and I'm a blogger here at Fredrik's Fika here in Sweden. And today I'm going to show you how to make Swedish apple pie. This is not a traditional Swedish apple pie. It's a crispy, kind of butterscotchy toffee apple pie, and it's so easy to do and you're gonna love it. You can find the full recipe down here in the description, and I will do this recipe in grams because most scales can do both ounces and grams. The first thing we do is to peel and slice the apples, and then you're gonna roll them around in a little bit of sugar and cinnamon. Now we're gonna make the pie crust, and this is really simple. You just do it in a frying pan and then you put it on top of all the apples. Start by melting the butter, then add caster sugar, golden syrup, heavy cream, oatmeal, all-purpose flour, baking powder and a little bit of salt. When everything is combined, spread it on top of all the apples and bake in the middle of the oven for about 40 minutes. It already smells so good. Swedish crispy apple pie, or as we say in Sweden, knäckig äppelpaj. This smells so delicious. I really hope you like this video, so leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more Swedish Fika, they will follow after this one. Let's have a taste. Mmm.